Do you dream of living in Canada but not sure if you are eligible to immigrate? Did you try but were not accepted? Or did you not qualify to immigrate to Canada? Are you looking for a specialist to help you step by step in the immigration process? Want to know if it's worth it to leave your home, family, and friends to immigrate to Canada? Hi, I'm Iuliana Duna, an international lawyer and immigration consultant certified by Canadian authorities with over 15 years of experience and thousands of approved files on all immigration programs. I invite you to participate in a live event where we will analyze the advantages and disadvantages of life in Canada. You'll find out the exact methods and programs to immigrate to Canada in 2021 and 2022 and how you can increase your chances of being accepted. In addition, you will participate in a Q&A session where I will answer all your questions for your specific situation. I can't wait to see you at a live event created to meet your needs related to immigration to Canada. See you soon. Register now, places are limited.